Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Today I am here to teach you in this online class. Today's topic, parts of a computer, from page 13 of book. In today's lesson, we will read and learn about the different parts of a computer. Let's start today's lesson, parts of a computer. Our body has many parts like head, hands, feet, eyes, ears, legs, etc. Each part has its own function in our body. Similarly, computer too has many parts. For a system to work, it needs all the parts to work together, and thus every part has its own importance. Same way, every part of a computer has its own importance. Here is a picture of computer. In this picture, you can see different parts of the computer, such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. There are two types of parts of a computer, primary parts and secondary parts. Primary parts are the main parts of computer and secondary parts are the peripheral parts. Primary parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. These are the four basic parts of a computer system. Secondary parts or peripheral parts of a computer are printer, speakers and headphones, scanner, and UPS. Let us now learn about the primary or basic parts of a computer. Today we will learn about only two basic parts of a computer. The first part we are going to learn is monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. It is connected to the CPU with wire. Monitor displays all the information and work which is done inside the computer. You can watch movies and cartoons on it. The monitor has an on-off button at the front. Turning the monitor off does not turn off this computer. The second part we are going to learn is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. CPU connects all the parts of the computer and makes them work together. CPU also stores all the information. The CPU has on off switch for the computer. Let's move on to today's homework. Answer the questions. Here are some questions for you students, and you have to write the answer to these questions on page 18 and 19 of book. Question number 1 is, name the four parts of a computer. Question number 2, which part of a computer looks like TV? Question number 3, which part of a computer is known as its brain? You have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. I hope you all understood today's lesson. We will read about the other two parts of the computer in detail in our next lesson. Thank you.